In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in PowerPoint. Whether you're fixing a typo across multiple slides or updating a repeated term, this tool can save you tons of time and help keep your presentation consistent. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work on. Make sure you're in the file where the changes should happen, since everything you do next will apply to this specific presentation. Now, open the Find and Replace tool. Head to the Home tab on the ribbon, then look to the far right and click Replace. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to open the same window instantly. This brings up a small dialog box that lets you control what you're searching for and what you want to replace it with. In the Find What box, type the exact word or phrase you want to locate. This could be a product name, a person's title, or any recurring text in your slides. Take a moment to double check your spelling here, because PowerPoint will look for exactly what you type. Next, in the Replace With box, enter the new word or phrase you want to use instead. This is what PowerPoint will insert anywhere it finds that original text. Again, confirm the capitalization and spelling so your updates look consistent across the deck. At this point, choose how you want to proceed. If you click Find Next, PowerPoint will jump to the next occurrence of the term, so you can preview where it appears before making a change. If you click Replace, it will change just the current highlighted instance and then move to the next one. If you're confident everything should be updated everywhere, Replace All will change every occurrence in the entire presentation in one go. If you want to avoid mistakes, it's a good idea to step through with Find Next and use Replace one by one. This gives you control over which instances change, which is especially helpful when a word appears in different contexts or on visuals where you may not want it altered. When you're done, click Close to exit the Find and Replace window and return to your slides. A couple of helpful tips before we wrap up. Turn on Match Case if you need to find text with specific capitalization, like title versus title. And if you only want to search without making changes, use Find Only by pressing Ctrl+F. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.